Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you want to cook with Stanley Tucci? The Tucci Cookbook is exactly what you're looking for if you're a fan of Italian, if you're a fan of Stanley Tucci, and you're a fan of incredible recipes with a long history behind them. For example, I'm a big fan of risotto with shrimp. Listen to the opening sentences of this risotto and shrimp recipe. My father's family immigrated from Italy to Vermont, where they would gather wild mushrooms to use when preparing risotto. That recipe became a family staple that has now been passed down through 3 generations of Tucci's. That's just a sampling of what you'll get when you have the Tucci Cookbook, which is an incredible collection of beloved Italian traditions, mouth-watering photographs, and engaging, previously untold story from his family's kitchen. I also love the section about wine. It talks about pairing wines with certain foods and gives a breakdown of each kind, which can be very helpful when you're planning a dinner party and you want to do some of the recipes in this book, but you need some help choosing wine. This is such a fun read. It even has an introduction to the Tucci family with some history. It really makes you feel like you're part of a big Italian family, and this recipe book is just part of that family that's being passed down to you. And the fact that this spiral bound copy is easy to open and lays flat makes it the perfect kitchen helper. It's beautifully made, well written, and the recipes are delicious. It's a recipe book and a story, and that is my point of view.